What?
You have 2 legs. You have 10 toes. You have 2 arms and a little nose.
Finished?
Not yet. Let's complete that. First, draw the body. Complete the head. And 2 big shoes. Ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! It's the happy clown. Oh, just one more thing. His beautiful hair. You're amazing!